wonderful segue! That was such an early segue, God. I don't know. For this next game, you wouldn't want to be late, though. Alright, I'm gonna need 5 players for this. You know who you are. Bring your chairs up here. Alright. This is gonna be Why Are You Late with Yoshi, Gab, Denise, Franklin, and Walt. Alright. Before anything happens, though, I'm gonna explain the game first. These are our students. This is our teacher. Hello, Walt. Come here. Look at the audience. Yeah. And this is our very unfortunate and late student, which we will be seeing off later, but I'm gonna explain the game first. So, Franklin will be coming in late from the class and they have to guess 3 things. 3 things that I will ask from you later. Alright. Maybe we should get Franklin out of here first. Alright. Bye, Franklin. Bye. Someone's gonna call him. He'll return. He'll return. Alright. Surely he'll return. He just goes in. I'm sorry. Alright, I think we're in the clear. Alright, I'm gonna need 3 things from the audience. The first thing is, why was he late? What happened in his house? It could have been that his dog ate his bed sheets. His slippers became alive. Could be anything. Could be random. Give me something. Scream it out.
The pandemic.
The pandemic happened. It's so real. Go on, scream it out.
Tornado inside the house.
The dog tried to eat him.
The dog tried to eat him.
Got the cheese touch.
The toilet wanted revenge!
Lactose intolerant.
What did you say, sir?
The toilet wanted revenge!
The toilet wanted revenge on him. We're off to a great start. The toilet wanted revenge on Franklin. Alright, the second thing that I'm gonna ask. He must have gone here to the Ateneo somehow. What was his mode of transportation? A magic carpet? A dinosaur? A dolphin? Again, it could be anything. Give me some suggestions.
One wheel.
One wheel.
Tripod.
Rolling ball.
Hot Wheels. He went here using Hot Wheels. Is that one singular Hot Wheel? Yes. One singular Hot Wheel. Alright. That was our last drum. I'm gonna need something. On this way here, he met someone important, someone famous. It can be anybody. Someone fictional, someone real, someone you know, someone he knows. Uncle Roger. He met Pedro Pascal. Alright, students, can we repeat what happens throughout Franklin's day?
The toilet wanted revenge.
The toilet wanted revenge. Number 2.
1 Hot Wheel.
1 Hot Wheel.
He got there by 1 hot.
Number 3.
Pedro Pascal.
Pedro Pascal. This person. Pedro Pascal. Right, one final reminder for the audience. Let's help out Franklin in any way we can. If he's right, if he's going in the right direction with his answers, cheer for him. You know, if he's totally wrong, if he's getting it wrong, boo him, boo him. And if he's kind of right, just go, you're getting there. Alright, I think we can call on Franklin back. Franklin, we missed you. You guys remember it? You remember it? Is Franklin there? On the way. Oh my God.
Damn. Sir, the class.
Sir, the class.
Okay, welcome to lahat kayo naka-warm up na. And welcome to our swimming class. Lahat kayo naka-attire. So please bring out your notebooks. We're gonna have a lecture. So, we need to discuss the dangers. Oh my God. Hi, sir. Mr. Benaventura, why are you only arriving now? Please be here. You cannot sit down yet. Please, because I need to talk to you. Why are you late? What happened?
Oh, sorry, sir. Yeah, a little complication happened back at home kasi. I was on the toilet, right? I was in the toilet. There are like these rats.
Why rats in your toilet?
You know how they get in the pants kasi, but like,
Students! What are you doing right beside the pool? That is dangerous. Would you explain yourselves?
Sir, stretching.
Yes.
I'm preparing.
We don't want
Please put down the pool floaties. We're gonna use that later. And please, we're already done with stretching. Please sit down. Go to your notes. I still have to tend to your classmate over here. Why is he late?
Okay, sir.
Don't do that again.
Sorry.
Okay, what you're saying?
so yes, a little complication happened in our bathroom. Right? So like, I was on my
Pushed you off?
Yes, my toilet pushed me off. The brigade was so strong that it just.
So did you try to retaliate?
Oh yeah, I fought with my toilet. It backstabbed me kasi.
What do you mean backstab?
I was trying to sit on the toilet nga, sir, diba? So like, as soon as I got on, it was like, no, I don't want you here. So like,
So your toilet transformed and you were fallen.
yes, it had decided to fight. It came alive.
It transformed and you have fallen?
It's a Decepticon kasi, sir. Hello?
Konnichiwa, Franklin. I'm so excited for anime night later. Yeah, we're gonna watch Tokyo Revenger.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Tokyo Revenger Night
Yeah,
today, huh?
we'll remember Tokyo Revenger now. I'm so excited. Tokyo Revenger. Okay, see you later.
Son,
My toilet turned into Mikey. No!
I'm old. I don't know anime.
Hi, Franklin. I'm just so excited for anime night. You know what I love about Tokyo Revenger? It's the words. We're gonna watch Tokyo Revenger. My favorite words, Tokyo and
My toilet took revenge on me.
Okay, your toilet took revenge on you, but that's on your home. I still think that does not excuse you from being this late. You were an hour late. What else happened?
So yeah, like the traffic was
Mister! What are you doing with your classmate? Why is he positioned like that?
May injury po siya. Tinutulungan lang po niya.
Sir, bad form. He needs better form.
Back form, wala pa tayo sa loob ng pool. Today is lecture, so please behave. I still need to tend to your
Sir, I'm
classmate.
sorry. It's just so hot in here. So. I think.
May tubig.
I'm really sorry,
Okay.
sir.
I hope you're told later when we took it after the notes, I still need to tell to your classmate. So, yes again, how did you get here?
Sir, so like... to ride my Hot Wheels na lang. It goes so fast kasi. Have you seen us in traffic? Never.
No, it's okay, it's okay. I get stuck on traffic with my Hot Wheels too. Anyway, I still don't think that's enough eh. I still think there's also another thing that could have happened. Why you're so late today?
Yes, sir, when I was on the way to school kasi I ran into someone super cool. Like, one guy say that, yo, they're action movie star kasi.
Action movie star.
Oh, I met, si... Darth Vader!
Darth Vader! Alright, students! Joel, Javier, and Penna, what are you Why are you guys having your hands all over your heads?
Shake.
Milkshake? I don't know what kind of warm-up is that. Please, we already had our warm-ups, we already had our stretching. I don't know why you guys are still standing. I already written down the notes there. Please write it down.
Sir, my mistake, sir. Sir, I dreamt something na nagmamando yata ako dati.
Okay lang yan. Ito, pang headache, ano yan? Clicker.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Now,
sir.
please behave. I still need to talk to your classmate, okay?
Yes, I will behave like a child.
So yun nga, sino nakilala mo?
Yeah, so on the way, I saw this man. He had a little green thing on him.
Yes!
A Mandalorian.
But still, who is that person?
Si Boba Fett? He's a blue dude. It's like a...
I think, wait, please breathe. I think I'm putting too much pressure on you. You know the unit of measurement for that?
Ramblin! Pre-drawing ka naman, pre-drawing ka. Pre, dito, pare! Ayaw magkikita tayo sa papa, pare. Pre-drawing ka! Bad trip! So I ran into like Pedro Pascal!
Okay. I kind of forgot. So please tell me, what happened to you before you got in here?
So, I woke up this morning, had a little bit of toilet trouble. It took its revenge on me. And then I saw that it was super traffic, so I whipped out the Hot Wheels. While I was on my Hot Wheels, I had to stop and take a picture with the Pedro Pascal himself.